Welcome to TechZoid, your go-to channel for tech made simple. Today, we're tackling a feature that many Samsung users encounter but may not fully understand: Samsung AppCloud. You might have noticed it running in the background, but what exactly does it do, and do you really need it? Don't worry, I'll break it all down for you and show you how to manage it. What is Samsung AppCloud? Samsung AppCloud is a cloud-based service that automatically backs up your apps and settings. If you ever reset your phone or switch devices, AppCloud makes it easy to restore your apps without losing any important data. It's designed to sync everything seamlessly, but some users may prefer not to have it running in the background or may want to disable it for more control over their device. How to disable Samsung AppCloud? Disabling Samsung AppCloud is quick and easy. Here's how. Open your settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. Go to Cloud and Accounts. Scroll down and tap on Cloud and Accounts. Select Samsung Cloud. Tap on Samsung Cloud to open the settings related to your cloud storage. Disable AppCloud Syncing. Look for the sync options and toggle off the AppCloud Sync to stop automatic backups of your apps. This will prevent your apps from being synced and backed up to the cloud, giving you more control over what gets stored. Managing Samsung AppCloud storage. If Samsung AppCloud is taking up too much storage, or you just want to manage your backups more effectively, here's how to delete unnecessary data. Go to Samsung Cloud. In Settings, tap Samsung Cloud. Manage Storage. Choose Manage Storage to see how much space your backups are using. Delete unnecessary backups. Select the apps or data you no longer need and delete them to free up space. This will help keep your cloud storage organized and ensure that only important data is stored. Wrapping up Samsung AppCloud is a handy feature for backing up your apps and data, but it might not be for everyone. Whether you're looking to disable it or manage your cloud storage, now you know exactly how to do it. By taking control of this feature, you can keep your device running the way you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got any questions or need further help? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is TechZoid, where we simplify tech for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.